Your dental health brought to you by Tupelo Smiles Family and Cosmetic Dentistry.
A denture is a device that is inserted into the mouth to replace natural teeth and provides support and structure to the cheeks and lips. There are a variety of different types and forms of dentures that a dentist may recommend to the patient. A removable denture is what most people imagine when they think of dentures. These dentures rest on an acrylic or plastic base and fit securely but comfortably on the gums. These dentures can be removed easily by the wearer. Partial dentures are a good option for patients who still have some of their natural teeth. Partials do not cover all of the gum line of the patient. Sometimes dentists will recommend partial dentures to be anchored to the mouth and gums through dental implants. This provides unparalleled stability and durability for the wearer. Remember, regular dental visits are important to patients with dentures to check for oral tissue, disease, or changes. For your dental health, I'm Dr. John Kenney.
For more information on this topic or to set up an appointment, call Dr. Karen and Dr. Kenney's office at 662-840-1535.